You know what's in it.
With Indecision on Sounds of Brooklyn, and they got a brand new album out called Unorthodox, just released in December. And you guys want to tell us your names and what you do in the band?
I'm Pat, I play drums.
I'm Bago, I play bass.
Justin, I play guitar.
I'm Tom, I sing.
And how long have you guys been together? I know you've been together for a pretty long time, but like exactly when did you get together?
94?
93. Played our first show in 93. Right?
You start, but I was
What did he say?
Yeah, but he wasn't in the band yet.
like 94. I joined in January of 1994, and since then we've been so 3 years.
So like, who was like
exactly.
the original drummer of the band? Like
One Beat Pete. One Beat Pete was the original.
One
drummer.
Beat Pete. And
Yeah.
where is this dude today?
Where is this character
Where is
today?
he?
He's in the. I think he joined the Misfits. I'm not sure.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. So how did this band form? Like, what did you like? How did you guys actually like get together?
We all worked in a butcher shop together,
Yeah. On 69th Street.
and we met in a butcher shop, and
Yeah.
that's pretty much where I got together.
We were like slicing roast beef, and we decided that we didn't want to be slicing roast beef anymore. That it was like nowhere. So we just decided if we started a band, we'll have a better chance at getting ahead in life than slicing roast beef.
Right.
So
Yeah, I mean that is a pretty good, idea to like, get out and like.
I mean, that's why Tom's in here right now. He's at the butcher shop.
yeah.
Oh, so you guys still own the butcher shop?
Yeah, Tom actually.
No, we didn't own them. We just.
Oh, you just worked there?
Tom owns the butcher shop. He's our boss.
Yeah.
Strictly,
But like,
he had to be surrounded with bologna for the rest of his life, so.
There's actually a problem once that someone tried to start cutting Tom off.
but they stopped
Yeah.
because Tom was our boss, so he figured he'd be in on the venture. You jerk. So Tom's at the shop now, minding over the roast beef.
Yeah.
It's a shame we couldn't have them now. We couldn't have the whole band together. But
Right, that's exactly.
I guess somebody's got to stay.
That's right.
Take care of the business.
Yes, sir.
So I understand you guys completed a East Coast tour
East Coast
past summer.
Yep, 2 East Coast tours.
How was that? Could you tell us about that? Any exciting adventures?
A lot of exciting adventures.
We went to Disney World.
A lot of people. Met a lot of cool people. Went
And
to
who'd you do
Florida.
this tour with? Was it a bunch of bands from Brooklyn?
Face.
Shutdown
Over the
was
summer.
the one over the summer, and Trip Faced was the one in the winter.
Okay, so like, how did this tour go? So, like,
The winter tour went better than the summer tour because
oh,
we
you
had-
did a winter tour as well?
Yeah. And it went better because we had played all the places already that we played during the summer, so people knew us already.
Yeah.
So it went a lot better.
So like, what kind of misadventures did you have during the tour?
A lot of bathroom misadventures.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know about that.
A lot of exploding toilet bowls and whatnot.
Yeah.
A lot of bad fast food restaurants.
The van misadventures.
Yeah. The van blew up. Tailpipe fell off. Got a lot of flat tires.
Did you guys like blast through like guitars in hotel rooms at like 3 o'clock in the morning?
Justin and I do.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
I set up my drums.
we wrecked hotel rooms and stuff. You know,
Yeah.
typical.
A lot of kegs and stuff, like
Okay.
Kegs, girls, you know,
kegs, every night, night after night.
It's
It's a
a
wild
lot
scene.
keg.
wild parties.
Yeah.
Having a keg tonight.
Oh yeah, okay.
Dyke Golf
Oh, yeah,
Course.
okay. Gonna be
Yeah,
mad.
there's gonna be
bitches.
mad girls there.
You gonna have a cake tonight?
No.
All right, so like,
Jimmy.
how do you feel about this band? I mean, do you want to like,
I have fun.
It's fun.
have fun? Is it?
Don't really have any goals.
I mean,
really,
considering
just-
you have a lot of touring, you're playing shows every weekend. It's like
Yeah, but
it's
we
gotta
don't
be
want
like,
to tour. Like we
It's
just
got to be like
get,
a lot of dedication.
We haven't played in 3 weeks.
we don't really like playing though. We just like feel like we have to. Like people make us play. We don't really want to play. People make us play.
Yeah,
It's all for money. I mean, that's
really-
the basic bottom line.
Yeah, it's not like-
a band like the Verve.
We all have contracts that say like
Nerve.
like how much money we get per show. Like I get a certain amount and he gets
Yeah.
depending on how
Well,
much you put
I
into
get
the
a
band.
cut, and then I just kind of drop it down. I get
No,
the
but it
gross
depends on
amount.
how much you do in the band.
Right.
Like if you take care of business, then you get
Right. Each week it's kind of
Nah.
different. Like this week, doesn't want to miss business to take care of, so really doesn't anyone gets paid.
Right.
Usually, get about 98%, then drop it down to the rest of it.
Yeah.
I get about the
98%
50.
is zero. Is zero.
Alrighty. So we will return with more of Indecision after we'll show some concert footage. We'll be back with Indecision on Sounds of Brooklyn.
This one is that thing. Everyone shout with it. You told them closing out, they talk about this year so weak. They heard them all up to be so strong. Like one by eyes, I hear voices sound that is into the smile. Great consciousness I cry. What happened to the person? Now I didn't feel it out. Never gonna find. That's why they came up to this point. That's why they came up to this time. Go down to the sea, I'll see. No house. Obsession desire, welcome to future positivity. Not to just further here material obsession. I find the kind of sanctifying and credits of possession. I think myself, I live in all these safety bodies. I believe in a million tomorrows and I like after death. I believe in a million tomorrows and I like after death.
Alright, back here once again with Indecision on Sounds of Brooklyn. The name of the album is Unorthodox. The cover of this album, like, what was the concept? How did you guys come up with the concept?
We had it since we were in grammar school.
Justin Baruchi.
Justin Baruchi, I gave him an idea for a cover, and he set the whole shot up in his basement. He didn't. That's not a real classroom. Like, he set that up in his basement. He bought a flag and he bought a blackboard, and
We never paid him for it.
yeah, we did actually pay him.
Okay.
Yo, Jim, where did the concept for this picture come from?
Well, that was a very, like, you know,
It just
It just had
staying in a
spontaneous.
specific time,
abstract.
right?
I kind of, you know,
I like
wanted
it.
to be
I
kind
like
of
it. Is it in the shot? Ken?
Yeah.
I mean, you guys should have used this as the cover.
We tried to.
Oh, we
did
forgot,
the
you know? I'm sorry.
Well, in the second
Next, how about
printing,
the
you should
second
use
one?
that one.
Okay.
Keep it
But
still.
like, what was like the like, what does this mean? Like the two kids like in the classroom. Like, what is that like? What kind of like? What are you trying to say about like unorthodox? Like, what does it mean though?
I don't know. It's trying to mean.
It just looks cool, right?
It means
Yeah, it's trying to combine the
Peanut butter and
idea
jelly.
of not knowing, like, from day one,
Yep, that's it.
like, what was going on, like being force fed this
stuff.
In Catholic grammar school.
mixture.
Catholic grammar school.
That's what it is. It's like being force fed the Catholic thing.
Grammar school.
You know what's going
The
on.
whole
you
thing.
brainwashed,
The whole thing.
packed it into a nice sausage of meat.
And smashed with a hammer until you can eat it. You don't have to chew it.
So would you say is this picture like generally tell like basically the whole album, like about the
Pretty
songs?
kind of,
like,
I guess.
basically,
Yeah, that's
like,
what
the
we
theme
wanted.
of
We
the
wanted
whole-
to get one shot that could pack the punch.
Everything together.
Get it
Like
down,
this.
and somehow combine all the 15 tracks to bring it in
Yo, do you
to
need a
one
drink?
picture.
I do.
Is you thirsty from that whole line there?
Alright.
No, don't drink the whole thing.
Alright, so what do you guys like consider yourselves? I mean, you don't like. I'm sure you don't like labels, but I mean,
Rock-
No, we
Rockabilly.
consider ourselves like heavy
Rockabilly.
metal.
heavy metal.
Heavy metal, yeah.
I mean, are you
I
guys
don't,
into like?
labels are fine, but like if you're gonna label it's the right thing, we're heavy metal.
Yeah.
Are you guys into like Maiden and like Judas Priest and stuff?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Definitely. I mean, we owe everything to Black Sabbath.
Black Sabbath?
I mean, every
That's
note,
the core.
every
The
note
roots.
that's played,
Roots.
any note that is played out of any instrument, you owe something to the guys in Black Sabbath.
Yeah.
No matter
You
what
do.
kind of music it is.
What about like Paul
Word.
Diano?
What?
Paul
Piano?
Diano,
Paul
the
Viano.
original singer of Iron Maiden.
Oh,
No,
I don't like
the new
him.
guy.
I like the new guy, Dickinson.
Bruce Dickinson.
How do you guys feel about Howard Stern? You guys like fans?
Love the guy.
Love him?
I'm very proud of him.
He's doing the right thing.
Did you go see his new movie yet?
Not
yet.
yet.
Private
Can't really
Parts?
afford it
No.
just yet.
See, we didn't play this weekend, so we didn't have any money, so
Oh.
we can
Yeah.
So,
Big
like,
ups.
alright, so on the serious side, what do you guys like? Are you planning to do anything this summer as far as touring wise, or what
Well,
can we
Tour
expect?
the US.
This summer we can't. I don't know. and maybe do something.
We want to. Hopefully, we can go to the West Coast this summer.
Yeah.
Are you guys going to like Japan and stuff?
Maybe in September we might.
We're going to Europe.
We're going to Europe.
We're going to Europe.
But
you gonna play,
Japan
like,
and Australia are two totally feasible
Like, Japan's
places to
here
tour
and
that
Australia's
everyone
here,
seems
but-
to overlook.
Yeah.
Feasible.
Yeah, but when you realize that Japan's here and Australia's here.
No, not in the same tour.
Yeah, but I mean, because Japan you'd have to go like this, and Australia you have to go like this.
Yeah.
So
Because in Australia, the thing in the water
But if
goes
you
the other way.
exactly, I hate that.
I hate that. Because every time, we recorded the album, the guitar tracks were recorded in Vancouver, the snare hits were recorded in the beach in Australia.
Yeah.
So we're like flying
Sydney.
all over the place to do the album.
But see, like the reverb on the guitar, since it was recorded in North America, it flowed in a clockwise position.
Right.
And then you go to Australia and record
it's
down there,
counterclockwise.
and the reverb just goes counterclockwise.
So they actually going
each
against
song, each other.
Each song took about maybe a year and a half to record. So like it's really been a culmination of like about 30 years.
Yeah, we've had a few generations of the band.
Like people started before
My
we even
dad,
around.
his dad,
there's people on the
they're all in
album.
the band.
There's people on this album along with us that aren't even alive right now because it's been like 30 years.
Yeah.
So you guys are kind
Like
of
where's the people that are around now?
Right.
Yeah.
Menudo.
Yeah,
It's
it's passed down from
right.
generation
Yo,
to
play with
generation.
Menudo.
It's like kind of.
They're playing with integrity.
We're playing with Menudo in Spain.
John
Menudo,
the Third.
Yeah.
Menudo, Integrity, and Flotsam and Jetsam are all playing
The Star.
next week. The Star.
Alright, guys. Alright, so we'll be back with more of Indecision. We got some more concert clips for you from the tour back last summer. And we'll be back with Indecision right after this on Sounds of Brooklyn.
It's called Disregard. Goes out to everyone who chose not to pay attention when Mike was making his little speech over there, which is fucking poignant and actually it wasn't shout out. Talk about crew. Yeah, everybody listen to that. I am Darwin.
Slowly
At a couple crews right now: BCL, QDL, YCQ, WP3 crew, whole Uptown kids.
What's some of your favorite bands?
Favorite bands?
I like the Nerve.
Black 47,
The Nerve.
The Nerve, definitely The Nerve. Black 47,
U235.
U235, Loads of Brooklyn,
Frontline Assembly.
Frontline Assembly, Front 242. 12 times over.
OU812.
Let's see those socks.
What?
Let's see. I want to see bag of socks here.
Yo, new snap case.
Yeah.
It's gonna be rad.
Dick,
Wow.
now what's the face?
Look at those socks. Fucking the elf
What?
from Lightfoot's paws on my socks.
Tell about the story about Lightfoot.
I didn't Lightfoot play last night.
Are you filming now?
The elf.
Let's go, Holly, Danny. Nothing, Jay. Jay, hit me with that. Queens and Staten Island, Jersey, Long Island.
Yeah!
name of the album is Unorthodox on
Order
Exit
it
Records.
from Wreckage.
Wreckage.
Don't buy it for a lot of money.
Well,
Yeah,
buy
if
it
you
from
see it
us.
in the store and it's a lot of money, don't buy it from them. Order it from Wreckage. The address for Wreckage is as follows: Wreckage, P.O. Box 263, New York, New York 10012.
What was that?
No, that's why I said
All
it
right.
clear.
Thanks.
Well, guys, I want to thank you for coming down, making this show, helping the show get off the ground.
We'll sign some stuff for you before we leave to get you
Okay.
going. You know.
Yeah, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Really appreciate it.
Good luck
So,
with the show, Bob.
We'll see you next time on
Bob.
Sounds of Brooklyn.
Who's next week?
Peace.
Who's next week?